Student, I am Prasanna, your SST teacher. We have completed the first chapter, the geography first chapter. I hope you all studied it. Today we start the civics first chapter. Why democracy? What is democracy? ये कैसे डेमोक्रेसी फॉर्म हो गई? देन इसके बारे में आज पढ़ते हैं हम लोग डेमोक्रेसी के बारे में. Then in many countries monarchies were either abolished and or the king abdicated voluntarily. Example अभी recent case में भूटान की जिग्मी सिंह की स्टेप्ड डाउन इन ये किंग अबॉलिश करने के टाइम इसकी फेवर डेमोक्रेटिक सेटअप हो गया उधर भूटान के अंदर. इसकी सेम तरह है किंग ज्ञानेंद्र Shah, the Nepal की forced to abdicate to favor of the democratic government. उधर नेपाल में भी ये किंग के abdicate करके डेमोक्रेटिक फॉर्म ऑफ बन गए नेपाल के अंदर भी. Then meaning of democracy. What is democracy? The meaning क्या है? Say famous Abraham Lincoln. So American President Abraham Lincoln defined the democracy, the type the government as the government of the people, by the people, and for the people, of the people, by the people, and for the people. This type of government is considered to be best form of government. This democratic form of government is considered is the best form of government. In this system, the people themselves elect the government, that is their representative who actually run the government. In this system, peoples have power. These people's hand में power है. Then peoples themselves elect their representatives की elect करते हैं. Then a representative actually run the government. Example nowadays, now this BJP government is running our country. Then the people take part in all the activities of the government and exercise full control over it. People it's a democratic government के अंदर people के hand में power पूरा. that सारा government activities के अंदर ये controlling करते हैं वो full control over the government activities. Then democracy is based on the principle of equality. So democratic government equality principle of equality based since all men are born. So actually all men are born equal. They have equal rights and equal opportunities and equal status before law. All people are equal before law. It's in front of the democratic system of government. Later it is known as rule of law. Then this type of equality, the principle of equality, then all people are born equal and they must have equal rights, equal opportunities and equal status before law. This system, this law became, that is known as rule of law. So in this democratic government there is no discrimination. Democratic government के अंदर there is no discrimination between the citizen based on the race, religion, caste, color, birth. Then equal opportunities provide all their education and living सब कुछ में ये लोग की equal rights है. Then democratic government के अंदर discrimination कुछ भी नहीं है between this poor and rich people and based on religion, caste, color, birth, etc. Then next this type of then okay this type this today this much enough. Then homework will be given through the WhatsApp.